We only had 15 days to cycle through the north of Vietnam, as we entered for free with the visa-exempt entry that as British passport holders were lucky to have. After spending 5 nights in Hanoi, the clock was well and truly ticking on our impending exit. So far, Vietnam has offered us a fair mix of quiet back roads, crazy city driving, and worst of all, tourist buses rushing to overtake everything and constantly pressing that goddamn horn all the time. We thought if we stayed away from the coastal roads and cycled on the Ho Chi Minh Road, we'd have less traffic, more nature, and an overall better experience in Vietnam. Only time will tell if that was a wise decision, but here's our final part of our Vietnam adventure as we cycle towards the Laos border. Enjoy. Today's cycling's been pretty epic. Beautiful views all day. So much so that we've not really been filming much just because we're enjoying it too much. Thought I'd give you a quick glimpse.
Absolutely beautiful. Really stunning, and the road has suddenly gone really nice and quiet.
We are cycling. Yeah, we are on a bicycle journey through Vietnam. My name is Adam. What is your name?
My name is Stu. How are you today?
I'm very good. How are you? You speak very good English. Very good. This is the 0-kilometre point of the Ho Chi Minh Road, which was built in 1972. Good bit of knowledge there. Gonna go find somewhere to eat and get a hotel. We're about 130 kilometres from the border now to Vietnam and Laos, which means we have 3 days to do that. Loads of time.
Loads of time.
Take it easy now. Just gonna enjoy the views. It's been a nice day, really.
It has, yeah. The views have been really stunning today.
Really nice. Nice to meet you. Yeah, go for it. Thank you. Oh, really annoyed. We sat down for what we thought was going to be chicken's legs. That's what Google Translate told us it was. It was chicken's toenails with leaves that we can't eat. So we just paid a load of money. I want £3, which is a lot in Vietnam. That'd get you a hotel room. Oh, so annoyed. Anyway, let's go find some actual food that we can eat.
Yeah.
What we got here, Lou?
This is, I believe, called bandeo.
Which is just behind you.
Yeah. And it's like rice, flour, and another type of flour that I can't remember the name of. I think it's got like shrimp, pork belly in as well.
Camon.
Camon.
Gotta be better than chicken's feet. Oh, please be better. Please be better. Different, yeah. It's not bad. It's alright actually. It tastes like jelly. Savoury jelly.
Yeah, it's like a bit slimy, but it's quite tasty.
Just been invited for some tea. Vietnam, then we're going back to Laos, then we're going to Cambodia.
There's the danger with stopping for a moment.
Yeah.
People are going to be far too nice. We cycled pretty high now. We're near the border. We're about 5k from Laos, but that means that we've gone right into the clouds. Smashing it, babe! The trucks aren't actually as frequent as it looks at the moment. They're actually quite infrequent, it's quite a quiet road. But when they do come, they struggle because it's so tight. Alright, let's get cycling. Now we'll probably have a good period of quiet. All the trucks get backlogged behind each other, which makes it pretty tough.
Trying to overtake each other on corners in the cloud.
How are you feeling?
Great, I'm feeling great.
It would be nice to show you the border, but this is it. You can hardly see out.
Can't see anything. Less than 50 metres.
Yeah, it's tough.
Yeah.
Well, that was pretty easy to do, wasn't it?
Yes, really straightforward. Filled in the forms, handed it in, paid the money.
We're officially now in Laos. Here's
Now
your
in
visa.
Laos. Here's the visa.
That's what it looks like. Quick Laotian visa. This is proper welcome to Laos part 2! Woohoo!
Our plan from here is to cycle south through glorious Laos. Our plan is to follow the Mekong River all the way to Cambodia. This is our second time back in Laos. We last visited Laos back in December on our way to China, but we only spent 6 days in the country, so we felt that we needed to return to get a real feel for the place. If you enjoyed this episode, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up, and to continue following our journey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in Laos.